keyhole. Oh, hello. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Asia Like the Continent, but you can call me Asia B, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you. So today we have a lingerie, sleepwear, underwear, bra, sports type of situation featuring Adore Me. I was gifted these items, so I'm really excited, and I just love gifting myself things I know I'm gonna look cute in and comfortable, because I think it's so important to do so, because when you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you do good. So let's get into it. So first up, we're gonna have lingerie. So this is a two-piece set. It includes this little top. It's see-through in the stomach area, but then where your boobs are, it is not. So it has the black cloth covering it. It is a little shorter top. It's not really a crop top, but it is shorter. I think this is so cute. It was really comfortable. It also includes adjustable straps, so you could adjust it however you want to, make it loose, make it more tight. In regards to the support, it's not going to be as supportive, of course, if you have big boobs like me, but I think it does well. My boobs look good in it, so I'm not mad about it. And then it also includes these shorts. I was afraid, like, looking at it, I was like, oh, are these too big? But no, they really sit comfortably on my fupa, so I really enjoyed that. And they're so cute with a little fringe at the bottom. You see that? Yeah, these are really comfortable. 10 out of 10. Next up, this is completely see-through, and I'm not trying to show y'all my girls like that, okay? It's really cute though. I love the little keyhole. Oh, hello. The little keyhole thing it has. The straps are like lace, so that's really nice, but they are adjustable as well, so that's really good. The back, it has a little tie for you to tie it up, and then it crosses as well, so you're gonna see in the video. But yeah, and then it comes with a thong, but I didn't put the thong on because I don't know what y'all trying to be on. But the thong is see-through too, okay? Listen, that thong, okay. Definitely gonna give you that coverage, but this definitely is a quick little number to just have on real quick, okay? I personally will not wear this by myself. I would wear the other one by myself. This one is for some shenanigans, okay? Thank you. I think my girls look pretty nice in it as well. But yeah, super cute. Next up is the bra. I got this in a 44 triple D or 42 triple D. Probably could have got a 44 triple D, but I think this is pretty comfortable. I love the charcoal gray color of it, first of all, and like it feels so nice. I don't know what this material is. Let me see if I can see. Spandex, polyester, nylon. Okay, I think my girls were sitting nicely in this. Yeah, it was really comfortable. Of course, it has the adjustable straps, and then I love how like the detailing in the straps too. Let's see if it'll focus. Maybe you're gonna focus. Did you focus? You see that where it says Adore Me? I think that's super cute. 10 out of 10. And I just love the way that it feels on me and the way it feels in general. It feels really nice. Yeah, I'm just always trying to find quality bras, because you know sometimes when you have big boobs and it's really hit or miss out here in these streets, okay? I like that. And then also the matching panties. I love these. These are definitely, I'm gonna have to make another purchase, because these are so comfortable. They cover my fupa nicely, and I think they're just comfortable. It's comfortable to wear, you know? I love the color again, and they are full coverage, so if you're more of a bikini type of person, let me see if these are, I don't know, but yeah, no, definitely gives me full coverage on the back side, and I love the detailing of it with the Adore Me. Where is it? I just saw you. Okay, there we go. That's so cute. Aww. But yeah, 10 out of 10. also got some black underwear. These are more, I think, of a seamless type of situation. Let's see. Okay, it didn't say it on there. But yeah, the thinness of them give me that seamless vibe. So definitely wear these like under leggings or any like fitted pants that you would be wearing. They're comfortable too, fit my fupa nicely. But sometimes my underwear, you know, of course, be rolling under the fupa, and that's fine. But these are super cute, and they are full coverage as well. So this came in a 2-pack. First are these like legging or pajama type situation pants. I think they're really comfortable. They have pockets, so I'm really excited about that. I love the plaid design of it. And they are a little bit, see-through. But yeah, super cute, super comfortable. I definitely could see me going to sleep in these or even just lounging around the house. So 10 out of 10. And then these are the second pants that came with it. These are have more of like a workout legging feel to it than a pajama feel. But the design of it reminds me of pajamas because it has these little buttons on it, like long johns, honestly. I will wear these around the house, just to wear these around the house. But yeah, they're cute, they're comfortable too. They don't have pockets though, but it's okay. I love the color. They fit on me nicely. You know, it's not too tight, it's not loose, it's just right. Now these, okay, look, this is probably my favorite. Well, first of all, they are cheetah print. I love cheetah print. I love animal prints, period, okay? And these are so freaking comfortable, okay? I wasn't expecting, I didn't read the materials list. I was expecting, you know, that standard feel, that satiny type of thing that be going on with these type of pajama sets, but it's not, okay? I'm just so happy. I'm so happy about them, okay? I definitely would, I think when you're like going to sleep, I mean, when I go to sleep, I do be wearing my big shirts and whatever pants, you know, but sometimes you just want to be cute when you go to sleep, and these will definitely do that for you. Again, the comfort though, it's out of this world. Like, put me in this right now. I promise you I will wear this all day. I will wear this. I'm waking up, I'm not going nowhere. I'm about to sip my coffee. I don't even drink coffee like that, but I'm about to sip some coffee, about to check my emails real quick. I don't even know what else to say about them. They're just so bomb. And the cheetah print with the purple, hint of purple up in there, you see that? Let me get closer in case you didn't see it. Hold on. Come on, ooh, you see that? Hello. I'm so glad I got 2 sets because I got the black and white set, and these are so like, I don't know what the feeling is. It just gives me like a classic, like I got my life together, like I look so cute. Like that's just, I love it. Okay, these are so freaking cute and so freaking comfortable. I think I've always wanted a pajama set, and I've had pajama sets like this, but they were never comfortable. You feel me? Like you'd be like, oh, I look cute, but this material is really irritating. This is everything I've ever wanted, okay? So cute. It's similar to the cheetah print in regards to feel and whatnot, but I think it's so simple, but it just really does something for me, you know? Super cute. Love this. Love it. Love the length. Love it. Got the perfect size. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And then I also got this sports bra. So first of all, listen, this sports bra was very difficult to put on, I will say. It has, it has the sports bra like covering part, but then it also has like an actual bra that's going on inside, okay? So you have the bra strap, then you have the other sports bra strap, and then you have to fasten it, right? And it's not where you can just turn it like how I put my bras on. I have the boob part on my back first, and then I fasten it and then I turn it. Now with this, I couldn't do that, so I'm sitting here like, what am I about to do? So I eventually was able to just fasten it, like, you know, behind my back. And when I got it on, I'm like, okay, I'm very secure up in here. I feel very secure. I can definitely go on a walk, do a little light jog, okay, light. Yeah, and I think it's super cute. I love the marbling on the band. You definitely will be secure in that thing. And I also got these pants because these are like workout pants. They are going to be a little bit tighter. This part is really not that stretchy, but it does have the ability to get over your fupa, okay? You know, these are designed to really keep you held in a little bit more. But yeah, I think they're super cute. They are comfortable once you put them on. I love, again, the design of these are so cute. And they're lightweight. They're not, you know, too compacted. I don't know if that's the right word. I want to say give you enough stretch like within the legs so you can move, you feel me? And you're not too restricted. Super cute. And then I got these little socks. These are just some simple socks. That's what they look like. With a little heart on it. Just something cute, you know? Yeah. So that's everything from Adore Me. I'm definitely very happy with all these products. You know, I think it's just so important to treat yourself every now and then also wear something that makes you feel good. Like, you look good, you look in the mirror like, ooh. Yes, okay, that's what I want to look like, okay? Let me know what your favorite pieces were. I already know I'm about to be wearing these pajamas like it's nobody's business, okay? And yeah, so I thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I am so what? I'm just happy right now. Okay, anyways, thank you again. Make sure you're staying safe, and I will see you guys next time.